The same DC, because the DC will be submitted by the contractor,
Hmm.
and then it will be reviewed by the DMCT, and then it will be
So
reviewed by the
I will put
community
it.
authority,
Yes.
technical authority, and then they will review. And
Absolutely. Absolutely. So I will follow the same thing.
Well, you don't need to mention the register, only you can mention the procedures.
Right?
Yes.
That's correct. But I want to see something here. Review the availability of up-to-date design information. So as you said that there is no design change, we have envisaged during this project because this is MOC. But I want to see the register of.
Okay, let them show the register. Review availability of up-to-date design information at workplace level.
That means this will be applicable only. TC and TQ procedure is there.
No.
And they have registered.
Then we are doing only copy and paste.
Yeah. So
you go as per your requirement.
Yeah.
You are doing your workshop.
Yeah.
So, Mr. Akil.
Sir. Hello.
Point
Yes.
3.4. Are you able to see the screen?
I can see. Yeah.
Okay. What we need now is review the availability of up-to-date design information at the workplace level. It means during this project, if we have done any design changes, for example, in fire and gas or something, do we have a record for this?
That is
Other than that.
Other than
No,
that,
other than
we are
that.
having
Okay, excuse me. Other than that,
Yeah.
we are saying that, see, the changes has been done in the PNIDs, in the procedure, in the system, and this PNID and PFD should be available at the last hand. Because workplace,
Okay.
workplace, if they don't have the updated document, they will not do the fabrication appropriately.
Correct.
So how do we ensure that our document control procedure is in place so that we can remove the obsolete document and ensure that latest approved document is in place?
Sir, once approved, I will tell you. Once approval of this TQ or DC only, we are changing this all the documents inputs that is reflecting to all our engineering documents. With the approval of this DC or TQ only, we were submitting the document. Otherwise, in that case we are holding the documents for the further revisions. The latest revision, that means revision 0, will be IFC submission with this approval only.
Correct. In this, the specific question is, for example, if there was a change and we have corrected our P&ID. Do you have any example that P&ID is corrected and approved? For example, in shutdown 1 or something. Can you demonstrate one P&ID? As built P&ID we have did. You remember?
As built we did, but in that case, which DC is applicable to that P&ID and all, I need to re-verify. We done that, and it is not separately tracking to once the DC is approved, once that changes is there and all, it is not tracked somewhere. But if you need specifically, I can show you something, but it will take time. It is not linked to any track.
And I understood. Wherever, if it is a DCA related, if any P&ID is changed, you have to attach that drawing and document to me as a evidence.
Yeah. Okay.
And more
importantly, what chairman is insisting, this should have been given to the
workplace. Yeah.
We understood.
So ultimately, what we need to demonstrate that you have got document control procedure is there. The moment any document is updated or re-approved, so we have to ensure that obsolete documents are removed.